be there. Does this online platform is making you feel like you are short of tools to explain or present the situation, especially when you are trying to explain some monotonous yet important concepts to a group? For example, if you are in teaching or training, then you must be feeling short at the tools at your disposal, because I do whenever it comes to online classes. We are mostly creative in face-to-face training or teaching. It facilitates us to make them visualize the concepts. However, this online platform is making the task difficult, and I believe this is going to be there for a long time. So what to do? It seems we have no other options but to adopt. Now the old school techniques are not really going to help the situation. So I guess this is the time to move forward and explore some tools to make online teaching effective. There is various platforms for teaching or training, like from Google. You can use any one of them. To make the presentation better, we use PowerPoints. However, teaching entire course through a PowerPoint is not a good idea. PowerPoint is better, but what if we can make content more visual in the same amount of effort? Normally, we use same old content again and again and update only when required. So I guess this is the time to update our content and prepare it in more interactive and visual way. As you know, visual memory lasts longer. The first tool which will help you instantly is PenTab. With an investment around 4,000 rupees, you can give your audience a classroom feel. Most of the online tutor like Unacademy uses PenTab. The common companies in this field are Wacom and XP. And as per my experience, XP is better because it has 8,000 pressure points, which is better, and it's one-time purchase also. You can choose from different available sizes. The range starts from 2,999 to 11,999. If you are clumsy with the wires, you can go with the top model because it has Wi-Fi connectivity. You can use your PenTab with MS Office. Actually, PenTab is a mouse in the form of pen, and with it you can use digital boards. Like there is AWW app, which is free online digital board. And also with some basic skills in animation, you can create more illustrative and visual. For all the trouble. PowerPoint presentations works fine with inbuilt animations, but that too take efforts to prepare interactive presentations. However, with animation you can represent it better in even less effort. And once you have created your own animated concept, it will always be in use in any form. So to prove my point, now in just 2 minutes I will show you how easy it is to animate. So don't go anywhere. There are many animation softwares like Adobe Animate CC, but they are paid. Pencil 2D is very simple and an open source software which I'm going to use here to illustrate.
I'm using this Pencil 2D software over here. On top rightmost corner you can see the tools which are used to help you to draw the animation. Just below that you have options where it will show you the properties of the selected tools, and below that you can see the display where you can select the different display settings like onion skins and other things. At the bottom you can see there are 3 layers: bitmap layer, vector layer and camera layer. Here this is the color box where you can select the color of your choice, and at the bottom you can see the color palette. Now here you can add some layer or delete some layer. You can add the keys and you can play your animation in between to see. Now this is the FPS, which you know, the frames per second, and it simply tells that in 1 second 10 FPS means in 1 second there's 10 frames. So you can decrease it or increase it as per your choice. However, 10 works fine for the basic animation. So I think I'm going to stick with it. Now I need to prepare one background where I'm going to play the animation over and over. So I'm going to draw the background and then I'm going to duplicate this background throughout the animation span.
Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. And do not forget to hit the bell icon. Drop a comment if you want to know about animations in detail.